What's going on, everyone? Welcome to D&M Marketing, and this is another video. And what I'm sharing with you is a very simple process that I actually shared with you the other day on another video that I did on this channel. I'll be sharing with you a little bit where is that video on my YouTube, how to create a free website using Google Sites. This is an amazing thing. All you don't need to do, you don't need any hosting, you don't need any domain, you don't need any coding or technical skills. All you just need to do is just follow the simple step-by-step process that I'm going to be sharing with you here on this video. So who I am, my name is Dennis Mwabu. As you can see me on that picture, I'm the CEO at D&M Marketing, and the reason why I like sharing these videos, valuable content, is when I was actually starting in the entrepreneur world, I was actually looking for different softwares that I can use to position myself in the online space, and I didn't have this knowledge, I didn't have these skills to really understand how I am able to really just position a simple website in the online space. As we know, this is your online store whereby people come to visit, to come and take a look at the different offers that you have. And also I want you to stick around up to the end of this video because I have a free ebook. Also I have a bonus for you guys, which is the 51 social media marketing methods to build your business. All you want to do is you want to just grab your free copy today, and I want to share with you where you're able to check on this. This is on my YouTube channel, whereby you'll see the first link where it says get your free ebook 51 methods to grow your business online. Download your free guide here, and let me just jump into my channel so that I can show you very well where you can get access to this where you can get access to this this ebook. So all you just, this is my channel, all you just want to come is, for example, this is the video that I did on how you create a free landing page. So on this video, also in the description, the first link is where you'll be able to grab that ebook, whereby it's saying get your free ebook now, 51 methods to grow your business online. Download your free guide here. Okay, so when you click on this link, it will take you to a landing page. And guys, I showed you, just take a look at the link above. I showed you how you can be able, or the video on how you can be able to create a very professional landing page like this, and you're able to grow your business. So go click here, fill in your email, fill in your name, and directly you'll be able to receive this free ebook. So let's dive in on how to create a free website using Google Sites. So the first thing is you want to come onto your Chrome, and you just want to come to Google or whatever browser you're using, and you want to come and search. If you have an email, guys, you already have a Google site, so you just want to come and search Google Sites, then click search. Google will load immediately, and the first thing that will come will be Google Sites sign in. So you just want to click on that. Then what will happen, definitely, as I told you, if you have an email, what will happen is it will bring you directly to this site, right? So make sure you're logged into your email address, because this is what it requires. If you don't have an email, make sure to create an email, a Gmail account specifically. It's very easy, and you are able to take a look on your account here. You're able to take a look at some of the different apps you have from Google, and Google Sites is one of them. So you just go on Google site, search it on that. So how are you able to create a really free website? So you can see here we have start a new site here, start a new site. You have a blank page, you have a template here which is called club, you have another template here which is called class, template here which is called project, template here which is called restaurant, and you have different templates here that you can choose from. So it's you to really choose which template you can choose one of them. So for me, I'll choose this template of, for example, team. Let me choose, click on that template on team. So when you click on it, definitely it will load. After it loads, what happens is it will take you to a page whereby this page now where now, and you can see how simple it is, guys. It's all a matter of just clicking on the template. After you click on the template, it takes you directly to the site builder. The site builder is very easy to work through it. I'll just show you a little bit of it because it's a very self-explanatory thing that you can just go inside there and do. For example, here, definitely what appears here is the topic. What do you want to talk about? What do you want your site be about? For example, if my site, I want it to be about my D&M marketing team, all I do is I come and type here D, and then M, and then I'll come and put here marketing, right? So that's the headline. That's the headline of my site. And if you can see how professional it looks like, if I want to change the background image, I can still change the background image. All you just want to do is come here, click change image. I can either select image or I can upload. For example, let's click upload. When you click upload, what will happen is, for example, you can just choose. I like using the select image. Google actually just it gives you some of its image here, and you can select from one of these. For example, I will just select for example this one. It really looks nice. I'll click select, and you can see it adjusts automatically for it to look very good. So after that, now you can get into the body section, and it's just still the same, guys. Here you can write just a short description. It just tells you the exact thing to do. All you need to do is just focus on the content that you are providing. The content that you are providing, all you just need to do is just come here and write your content here, and then you have the core values, all these things. It's just as simple as that. This is how it's as simple as. All you just need to do is just follow all these steps, and you can create your website the way you want to be. So after you've created your website, remember, all you want to do is you want to publish it. And I'll give you another thing also. If you want to insert, let's say for example, text box, if you want to insert images, if you want to embed something, if you want to put the drive, all you just need to do is you just want to come. For example, if you want to add a text, all you want to do is drive, okay, drag and drop, right? Or just click. When you click, it will appear here, and then maybe you can add welcome. For example, let's put this, welcome to the team. Okay, welcome to the team. You can change the font, you can change the font type here. If you want this to be a heading, you can come here and put it as a title, and then you can come here, align it at the center. You can come also make it to be bold or whatever you want it. If you want it to be italic, whatever you want. So you can see that's how you're able to add a title. If you want to add an image, just come click add image, and then you can click upload. After you've clicked upload, you can come maybe select one image here. So for example, this event I was attending, you can put that image there. If you want to embed a code also, you can still embed a code, and you can still you have the layout section here. When you click the layout section here, for example, here you can actually come here. If it's even connected to your YouTube channel, that's why I told you it's very important for you to have using your email. You can see this is some of the videos that I've been able to upload. So I just come and click on that one, and I click select, and what happens is the video will just come here automatically. All right, I think it has already come. Let's see, upload. We're able to see when you have published the page. YouTube. So let's see YouTube. Let's see uploaded. Yeah, I think it's there. You can see that's the video. You're able to adjust it the way you want it to be. You want it to be a little bit bigger. You want it to be a little bit bigger. Here you can see also you can put your text here. Learn how you can build a free landing page. Okay. here you can just put in some few wordings. You can just put some few wordings, and you can see actually if you want to delete, you just click there, delete, and you can see your site is up and running, guys. This is how simple it is to create a site. So that is how you build. If you want to add a page here, you can see this is the home page. You can feel free to add another page here, right? It will bring you another page. You can write something, for example, a blog or anything. And that is how you are actually able to create your own landing page. Not your own landing page, sorry, your own website using Google Sites. So after you've added your pages, you've chosen the theme. The theme can be simple. When you choose the theme, this is what happens. Everything changes here, right? Everything changes. If you go back even to home, right, home here, when you change the theme, everything changes. You can see the colors have changed. If you want to change the color, you can just come here, right? You can just change your color the way you want your color to be, maybe depending on your brand, definitely. Right, you can see that's how the color is. The color has already changed. So this is how you're able to create a free, very professional website using Google Site. And then what you want to do after you've done creating everything, you just click publish. After clicking publish, you will write what your name of your website will look like. For me, I'll write test video. For me, I'll write test video, and then okay, it's already taken. I'll write DM social social media. So it's not taken. Just click publish. Let's see what we have here. So after you've got published, this is where you can be able to view your site. Okay, you can come here up and you can click copy published site link. You can share the link to your friends and team members. So you just want to come copy the link here, and you can see here's the link. Copy the link, and let's put it here on the site. And I want you to take a look at how it looks like. It is very, very fast. It looks professional, guys. And you have your website here. You can see where I was telling you you're able to add pages. So when you come here, add pages, and it really looks, this is how it looks like. And you can see this is the video that I attached. And you can see, guys, it's very, very professional, okay? And it's totally free. You can use this actually for your blog. Actually, it will really work very, very, very well for your blog. So here's the thing, right? So here's the thing. I'll actually use this website. I want you to give you another killer strategy. You can see here, this is known as a favicon. This blue thing up here, you can actually change it and put your your logo, right? You can actually put your logo on that site. So let's take a look at the recent site that was created. Here is it. So let's click on it, and you can see I've still built some other free websites using this. Okay, so let it load and see where you're able to add the favicon. It's here. You come here on these 3 circles. This is the 3 circles. You're able to add. I want to show you how you can add the favicon settings. You come here on settings, and then there's the brand image, there's the custom URL. Let's take a look at the brand image, and then you can put here favicon, upload or select a favicon image to add to your site. When you click select, for me I already have an image. Let's see. And for you, because you have not uploaded like anything here, let me just show you the easiest way. It's just to click upload. So you remember, I've just gone to settings, and then you have gone to brand image. So let me choose my logo. If you want to put your logo as your person, as your image, sorry, you can put as your image. So on my side, let me put my logo. Okay, so let's look for my logo here. It's actually somewhere here. Here we go. Open. That's how it looks like, and you're done. You click cancel, and then you click publish. So I've clicked publish. You click publish again, and then your site will be publishing. You can click view. So when you click view, you can see here now, you can see our last site. This is how it looked like. It had a blue box here. Right now, what you are having here is we are having my logo here as the Favicon, and this makes it look very, very professional. And I just love it when it looks this way. Okay, so that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you've gotten value. Always remember to hit that subscription button below, and always remember to come on this channel, check the first link to download your free ebook. And also I would appreciate if you come and hit that like button and hit that share button and share this to your Facebook, Twitter, email, whatever social media you have, and share this value to the people who are outside there and they're struggling to actually really understand how they can really build an amazing website. Have a good time. Let's meet on my next video.